go cop your 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Okay, so guys, I remember I told y'all that I was waiting for my clippers to come in so I cut my hair, right? So I got an email from the place that I was supposed to get the clippers from, saying that my order was canceled and that they was gonna give me my refund in like 2 to 3 business days. So after I got that email, I was like, dang, bro, I really don't want to scalp my hair. Like, I don't want to start over. Although that would be pretty cool to like start over and just work my way up, but I don't know if I'll be motivated enough, you know? So I was just like, you know what? Maybe I should just wait till this whole thing over. So I'm gonna wait till May 1st. Hopefully it's over by May, or any stores that's open, I could just go to the stores or the beauty supply stores and just get some clippers and cut my hair, man. Like, I'm tired of this, all right? But that's that, and I just have to wait with y'all. I know y'all wolfing too, and I'm tired of wolfing, but looks like I'm stuck with this wolf for another week or so. We'll see what happens. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
So y'all already know what this video is gonna be about based on the title. So the first thing I want to talk about, one of the many things I've learned as a waiver, is that once you're in an elite waiver, once you've been in the game for like 5-6 years, you know, and you're elite, it's like no going back. Cause you put in all that work just to say goodbye to your waves. Nah, man, it's too much hard work put into that. So once you like an elite waiver, you just can't go back. It's just like that, cause you're so attached to it. Another thing is you can't wear hats anymore. Alright, you can't wear a hat unless you have a do-rag on, and it probably looks stupid with a do-rag on. So it's just like, if I wear a hat, I'm gonna mess up my hair, because I work so hard to get it to be laid the way it is right now. I'm not about to wear no hat to mess it up. You could probably wear a beanie, but you gotta have a do-rag on that. You can't wear no caps to go out no more, because you don't have a cap on with a do-rag. That's probably gonna look stupid. Alright, so yeah, that's that. People always think you're a gangster, especially if you Haitian. Like, when I first started out with waves, I used to go out with my do-rag all the time. It'd be like, yo, you a gangster or something? Like, take that do-rag off. But they don't know that it helps lay down my hair, so they just think that I'm a blood or a crip or a gangster or something like that. And it's just annoying, to be honest. Not all waivers are gangster because they wear a do-rag. Not everyone that wears a do-rag is a gangster, so stop with that. Another thing is that no one can touch your hair. I mean, unless it's your girlfriend or something, she's going with the pattern, with the grain, and not against the grain, and no one can touch your hair. All right, bruh, you could touch my hair like this and I'll go straight to the bathroom, get a brush session in, bruh. Because I don't work too hard to lay my junk down, especially when I'm wolfing. Don't touch my hair when I'm wolfing, because it's hard to lay your wolf down, man. So unless I have like a fresh cut, like a 1.5, you touch my hair, bro, it's over. I'm going to the bathroom. Boop, 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 boop. That's why I always have my do-rag, because I don't want nobody touching my hair. All right, so another thing is your hair washing progress is longer. So if you just have regular hair and no waves, or your hair's grown out, probably take about 10 minutes max to wash your hair, you know. When you have like a 1.5 and you have no waves, just, you know, put some shampoo on it and wash it off, and then you good. You got long hair, wash it about 2-3 times and you're good, or condition it. It's not gonna take as long as you're doing a washing style. If you have waves, you gotta take care of them joints, bro. You have to wash your hair 3 times, put the shampoo in, condition, then you gotta lay your hair down. It takes so long. You gotta wait for your hair to dry naturally, no blow dry and everything. That's probably gonna take like 5-6 hours. All right, so the hair washing progress is longer. Another thing is, no one can see my hair unless I have a fresh cut, because if I don't have a fresh cut, it means I'm wolfing. And if I'm wolfing, I'm always ragged up, because when you're wolfing, in order to keep your hair laid, you always have to have your do-rag on. Not always, but you know, most of the time, always have your do-rag on. When I don't have my do-rag on, it's probably like when I'm gonna do a washing style, or if I'm going to like an event, like a professional event or something. I'm gonna go there with a fresh shape up, not a fresh cut, but a fresh shape up. Still can't touch my hair, but the only time you can see my hair is when I get a fresh 1.5 with the grain, guard open, and I'll leave my do-rag off for a whole week, then it's going back on, because I'm back wolfing again. All right, this is one of the most annoying things, like headaches, man. I'll be double ragging and junk, boom, headache, headache, my head pounding. I'm like, dang, man. I want to take the do-rag off, but then again, I want my hair to be laid. So I gotta keep this do-rag on, my hair. Feel me? So headaches is a big pain in the butt. So you're gonna have to deal with a lot of headaches. All right. So another thing is you have to find the right barber. If you're a waver and you want to be an elite waver, you have to have a barber that knows how to cut waves. Not just a barber that's gonna be like, oh, let me just give you a one, bro. I know now you wolfing for too long. Like, they think they know everything, but they really don't. They giving you tips and stuff, but they don't know what they talking about. Putting extra nasty, stupid grease in your hair that don't need to be in your hair. You know what I mean? So get you a barber that knows what they're doing and not just, you know, talking just to talk. All right. Another thing is that do-rags are like draws. They're like draws. You don't wear the same draw for a whole week straight. You have to change it. I don't know, some people may wear the draws for 2 days, 3 days, not a whole month. You can't wear the same draw for the whole month. Like, that's not healthy. I don't think that's healthy. Just like your drawers, you have to change it every day. You have to change your do-rag. It kind of stinks up sometimes because you sweat and everything. You just gotta wash your do-rags. Have like at least 10 do-rags to your possession, if not more, and wash them frequently. Just like drawers, how you wash your drawers out, you know what I'm trying to say, but just wash your do-rags and wear like one a day or something like that. Just have 10 or more do-rags in your possession. If you guys want some do-rags, 26 King Wavy got some do-rags for y'all. Use my discount code 360juice26. You get 26% off. So go get your do-rag from 26 King Wavy. Link is down in the description. All right, and this one, I just learned this month, man. This whole quarantine thing got me messed up. Like, I can't get a cut, none of that, because I didn't have clippers. Okay, so I learned this. I think we all learned this all together. Have clippers in your possession just in case. It don't matter if you don't know how to cut your hair, but you're gonna need clippers, because times like this is gonna come around where you can't go to the barbershop and you don't have a clippers. And even if you try to order clippers, these businesses that sell clippers are closed down and you can't get no clippers. So now you gotta wolf forcefully because you can't cut your hair. So have some clippers in your house just in case for situations like this. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, man. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to cop your merch. 4 p.m. go cop that right now. All right, 30K on the way. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what you waiting for? Subscribe right now. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.